Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make the display of your Panasonic TN-43W70AEZ TV monochromatic. To do that, first press the gear button on your remote control, then open all settings menu. After that, navigate to system. Then in system you're gonna have to select the about menu. Now in about, navigate down to Android TV OS build and press OK 7 times until you see you are now a developer notification on your screen. After that, you're gonna have to navigate down to developer options in system menu, and here let's navigate to display mode option. We're gonna find it somewhere at the bottom. Here we have it. Simulate color space. Now from disabled, select Monochromacy, and now the TV screen after that TV screen turns into shades of gray. We have also options for people with different color blindness types. Of course, only 3 of them will probably not be enough, and you're still gonna need some kind of manual adjustments if you want to adjust colors to your vision after applying one of these color spaces. But that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.